you go to the garden center with your plant sample looking for a solution to a plant problem, and you're wondering, how in the world am I going to solve this when you have this vast array of product to look at? How do you sort through all of this? Well, there are some key things that you can do. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you have an identification of the problem. It would be a big problem if you accidentally applied a herbicide to something that's an insect problem. We don't want those kind of devastating consequences. So we wanted that ID in hand, and we can go to the garden center with our plant sample, or you can check with someone like me who does diagnosis all the time. And so you can check out your local county extension offices to do that. So one of the things that garden centers really do to help you is they organize things according to the particular problem you're dealing with. So in this particular area, we have all of our herbicides. Behind that, then, there are a lot of insecticides, and from there we have fungicides, which are for fungal plant issues. Then on this side, we have a lot of things that have to do with fertilizers. And it's all about knowing how to read that label. And so let's go through some of those key concepts that you need to know. First, ready to use versus concentrates. Ready to use products are made with lots of water and the product already mixed together. It's for your convenience, so all you have to do is spray and use it. Make sure you have your proper PPE. The concentrates are the things that you must mix yourself with water. So there's lots of things like that that you can purchase as well. Then look for words like broad spectrum, which are things that kill a vast array of things. And so reading the label is really important in order to not kill things that you don't want to kill. And then things like active ingredient. And we find this on the front of the label on the active ingredients area, where it tells you what the things are in this product and what the concentration of that product. And so what that will tell you then is if you're looking at herbicides, insecticides, or fungicides. So remember that there's some things that you can do in order to make things easier, and the first biggest thing that you must do is read that label. And there's a lot of fine print on this, but take the time to do that. You won't be sorry. I get a lot of calls from people that are worried because they applied a product, then read the label, then figured out they were in trouble. So be aware that reading that label is worth every bit of time you spend on it.